Today, I am going to share with you some amazing uses of aloe vera gel, how you can use it and get clear glowing plus healthy hair and body. So let's get started. Firstly, after your hair removal or wax, you can use it on your hand and massage gently so that it can soothe your skin. Aloe vera gel can easily get absorbed to your skin and make your skin cool, calm and soothe your skin so that you don't get that irritation feeling from the wax. So you can definitely use it on your body, plus you can use it on your legs too. लेग्स में भी हम वैक्स करते हैं ना, और हेयर रिमूवल, इवन यू कैन यूज़ इट एज अ मॉइस्चराइज़र टू. So gently massage करें and it will instantly absorb into your skin and give your skin a very bright glowing look. Next, you can use it as a moisturizer and it is best for oily skin. जिनकी एक्ने, पिंपल की प्रॉब्लम है, डार्क स्पॉट्स की प्रॉब्लम है, वो इसको डेली यूज़ कर सकते हैं. खास करके ये एक्सेस ऑयल को कंट्रोल करता है सो दैट यू नॉट गेट वेरी मच ऑयली ऑन योर स्किन. So move on to our next use and that is we can use it on our hair too. डायरेक्टली हम एलोवेरा जेल हमारे हेयर में लगा सकते हैं. सो इफ़ योर हेयर इज़ टैंगल, यू कैन just take small amount of aloe vera gel and just rub it or brush it over your hair, and instantly it gives your hair shiny and smooth looks, plus your hair detangles very easily, and you can see instantly how it gives the feeling of very shiny fresh look on my hair. So you can definitely do it on your daily basis. Again, you can use the aloe vera gel on your scalp, massage it before hair oiling. It will help you remove dandruff. So these are some of the uses of aloe vera gel. These are very simple and so have you tried the aloe vera gel in these ways? If you have, then do comment below. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and also press the notification bell icon to stay updated.